If your home still thinks a Roomba is high-tech, you're missing out. The robot revolution is here and it's awesome. Let's check out the top 10 personal bots changing our lives. First up, Samsung Bally. This little ball rolls around your home, managing tasks and setting the mood, all with a simple voice command. Next, Cosmo 2.0. Tiny, playful, and packed with personality, perfect for learning or just goofing off. Meet Neo Gamma, soft, safe, and ready to vacuum, water plants, or carry laundry. Figure AI's humanoids are making their way from factories to your kitchen. Think dishes, laundry, and even groceries handled. LEQ is a caring companion for seniors, keeping tabs on health and sparking conversation. Realbotix Aria brings human-like chat and social smarts to your living room. Mirakai? Anime vibes, adorable face, and smooth moves. Love clean floors? Dbot X8, Pro Omni, and Winbot W2 Pro Omni handle floors and windows, no sweat. Unitree G1 is small, agile, and ready for anything. And finally, Tesla Optimus Gen 3, Elon's humanoid bot, designed for home and way beyond. The future is now, ready to invite a robot home.